Thank you for buying this 15775 dispenser set from Fixture Displays. You got 2 dispensers in one purchase, and along with metal brackets. So you have 2 dispensers. You can mount that side by side or whatever you please, along with the drywall mounting hardware. The capacity of this dispenser is 13 liters or about 5 gallons. Dimensions is 28 inches tall and 16.7 inches wide or deep, depending on how you're looking at it. And the thickness of this dispenser is about 4 inches. Now we're trying to demonstrate how you would mount this bracket to a drywall situation. The demo piece is actually wood, so you don't really need a big hole like that. You can just use the self-tapping screw, fasten directly. However, if you are using drywall, you want to drill 4 holes and then insert the plastic anchors. If there's any excess, you want to use a knife to trim it off to make sure it's nice and flat, and then fasten 4 screws. The orientation of this particular video is actually horizontal. In reality, they are vertical. We're going to show you how to hang your dispenser shortly. If you wish to mount your dispensers on tabletop, we do have stands you can order from us. You can contact us, CS Charlie Sam at Fixture Displays, to order. As you can see, there are 2 positions you can mount this to your bracket, high and low. We have a number of other similar items as well. Feel free to browse our website to discover. The divider can be pulled out with or without. With the divider, you have a display section in the front, so they all always look full and nice. There are several speed settings. We're going to demonstrate how they flow. So these little tabs on both sides, you want to set that as low to begin with. That's the further back, and this is flow speed on low setting. The setting is very intuitive. You simply pull that and push back. That's low setting. Then you have middle, so pull and set in the middle, or forward which would be the largest, highest speed. And you see the middle is faster. I'm going to set it at high. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. And in the description, we also included a few part numbers for the sister items. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email or text message us 630-296-4190. Consider like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.